Hello everyone, this is Perfect Days here and welcome to my channel. My question for you today is, how do you slow down and savor the holiday season? Okay, so Christmas is fast approaching and many of us are in full holiday mode. In my last video, I talked about how I decorate for Christmas and how I wrap presents in an easy and minimalistic way. So if you're looking for a video about how to have a relaxed approach to Christmas, please check that out. Today I wanted to talk about how we can take the time to slow down to savor the holidays. First, I wanted to unbox my new watch from Nordgreen. Nordgreen makes these beautiful minimalistic watches, and I think they look elegant and understated. To me, they look like the way that a watch is supposed to look, and I'm a really big fan of the classic and timeless look. Because of this timeless look, I feel like I can wear this now, in the new year, throughout the year, all year long. It comes in this minimal and recyclable and elegant packaging. I really like the presentation overall. This particular watch is the native watch, and I think the gold and the black really stands out against my winter coat and accessories. What's also meaningful about Nordgreen is that they are attached to many charities, and so when you buy a Nordgreen watch, you are also giving back to the community. If you're still looking for a gift for that special someone, Nordgreen's gift sets are currently discounted at 20%, and then you can get an extra 15% off on top of that with the discount code PERFECTDAYS. For a more luxurious watch, you can check out their Guardian line. Okay, so slowing down the holidays is important because too often we are rushing through everything, checking off boxes on lists and not always being in the moment. This year, I made a list of things to do and then I ranked them in order of priority, and then I crossed some things off, and I think that's really important to do because our time is very valuable and it is important to know that we can't do everything and not everything is important. One of the things that stayed on my list was to go see more live shows with loved ones. And recently I went to see a choir performance and I really enjoyed listening to them, especially all the familiar songs. And I found that when I closed my eyes and just listened, their voices sounded even more beautiful. I also actively tried to remind myself that it is a blessing being around those who matter, even if we're not necessarily having a deep, meaningful conversation. I mentioned in my last video that the holidays can come with a mixed bag of emotions. I encourage all of you to express your feelings in a safe and authentic way. Everything is not always merry, and that's okay. What I also want to remind us is to never lose sight of the blessings in our lives. Slow down and savor everything. Savor your food and treats. Savor the time that you have for yourself. I like to write things down in notebooks because I like the feeling of a pen making contact with the paper. It also slows down my thinking. This particular book has a fuzzy exterior and I like touching it as well. And that's my next point. I want us to pay attention to the tactile things around us. Your comfort is important, so you can wear something cozy. I received this throw as an early present and I really like the way that it feels. For some people, it might also help to plan ahead for the new year. It can make them excited, and doing it ahead of time will make you feel like you have more time to accomplish those goals. But I also want us to remember that there's still a lot left in 2022, and a lot of wonderful things can still happen. And so let's all take the time to savor it. So try to reduce the amount of multitasking you need to do, cut out distractions, and understand that there are many roads to a happy holiday. Let's keep the things that matter and are meaningful close to our heart. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I wish you all perfect days.